Hello children, as you all know, we are continuing the question answer sessions from unit 12 of your textbook, the first unit of history, the world during the world wars. Till yesterday we have done up to question number 14. Now I am giving question answers from the previous public examination question papers. Today we are going to see question number 15. What are the situations that led to strengthening of Nazism in Germany? What are the situations? How Nazism developed in Germany is being asked in this question. This is question number 14 of March 2016 and it carries 4 marks. Try to understand the question. Before you answer, it is very important to understand the question. Then you can answer it in a better manner. So, what are the situations that led to strengthening of Nazism in Germany? Strengthening means the development of Nazism in Germany. Point number 1, workers lost jobs, unemployment touched 6 million. Point number 2, small as well as big businesses were in crisis. Point number 3, peasantry suffered due to fall in prices. Point number 4, middle classes were alarmed as their savings diminished. Point 5, successive governments could not provide stability. Point number 6, industrial production was reduced to 40% of the 1929 level. Point 7, in such a situation of suffering, the Nazi ruler Hitler came to power by promising point A secure future with employment to youth, B, strong foreign policy, C, to restore dignity of German people, and D, to overcome financial crisis, etc. Next question, question number 16. Observe the following table and write a paragraph analyzing it. This is question number 17B of March 2016. In this, this is a 4-mark question. In the 4-mark questions, there is an internal choice. That is why question number 17B I have written. 17A is another question. Answer to that question I cannot give because that question pertains to another chapter. So observe the following table and write a paragraph analyzing it. What you have to do, you have to observe the table given and then you have to write a few points related to the table. And this table shows the annual national defense expenditure in $1 million. If you read the whole table, you will understand that this period pertains to the period before the Second World War. So what were the conditions before the Second World War? You already know, you have learnt in the previous questions, you have learnt in the textbook also. So annual national defense expenditure in $1 million. Year and country. Year from 1933 to 1939. Country, 2 countries defense expenditure is shown here. One is of Britain and the second is of Germany. If you observe the graph, you will notice that Germany spent $283 million in 1933 when Hitler had just come to power. At that time, Britain had spent $455 million, almost double of what Germany had spent. In 1934, Germany spent $299 million on defense expenditure, and whereas Britain had spent $480 million. Similarly, after 1935, in 1935 also, Britain had spent $595 million and Germany had spent $381 million. German expenditure on defense was less up to 1935. Till this period, Hitler had to explain to his people, to convince the people of Germany that war is the solution to all the problems of the German people. So suddenly all the people got motivated, and then Germany started spending more amount of money from 1936 onwards. If you compare, in 1935 Germany had spent only $81 million, whereas in 1936 its expenditure has increased more than 10 times, that is $2,600, whereas the expenditure on defense by Britain in 1936 was only $846 million. By 1939, German expenditure on defense was $4,400, whereas the expenditure on defense by Britain was only $1,817 million. This shows that there was a grand increase in the manufacture of arms for the war. Now Germany was ready in 1939 to start a war. Germany started challenging Britain and its allies. The First World War began in 1939. These are some of the points which I have given you orally. Some points I have written here. Some of the points which I have told you orally are written here. You can write as many points as possible, because expenditure is given. You should compare also. Germany spent $253 million in 1933 on defense, and in 1939, in a span of only 7 years, its military expenditure increased to $4,400 million, more than you can say 20 times, or almost 20 times. Now points, you can read the points A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Read the points, because I have already explained to you, and copy down these points in your notes. Some more points which you can write by your own also you can write, and thus you can complete the answer. Now question number 17. Create 2 slogans on promoting peace. This is a 2-mark question that appeared as question number 12 in June 2016. One more question has come, that is, create 2 slogans on preventing wars. Preventing wars means promoting peace. See, answers to both the questions are same, but the style of asking the questions are different. Here I have written 2 questions together so that you should not be confused. They ask one question in different types. Answer of that question will be the same or almost the same. You have already written answer to this question as question number 10 day before yesterday, that is 26th August 2020. Now in the next class, I am going to discuss this question number 18. What are the consequences of the world wars? This question also has come in June 2016, question number 14 of 4 marks. And all the objective bits that have come in the previous examinations will also be discussed on 31st March, and then we will end this lesson. Apart from this, today I have sent model question papers of the previous examinations in the second link. Please go through that question paper also. Today's class ends here. You have to write all these answers in your notes, understand, and then learn thoroughly all these answers.